I'm doing something that's not very fun, but we're going to walk through it together, make it a little bit more fun. I am paying my escrow shortage. So if you don't know what an escrow shortage is, let me explain it for you. First of all, an escrow account is an account when you have a mortgage that you have your mortgage lender put money aside into a savings account essentially for you to be able to pay your property taxes and your house insurance. Each year, you put in money into that every month so that when it's time to pay for your property taxes and your insurance, it just goes through your mortgage company. You don't pay for it yourself. However, if you are like me, your escrow could be short at the end of the year because my property taxes went up and my insurance went up. So my insurance has gone up for the past 2 years, which I get, everything gets more expensive. And honestly, it's not been that bad. And my property taxes have also gone up, but I don't know how much that is. But that has caused me to have a shortage because I'm just not putting in enough money each month into that account to cover that when those bills come out. Now, should I probably look for a new insurance provider to see if I can get lower rates? Probably. So that's going to be on my list for early 2026 to try and figure that out. Maybe see if I can do like a bundling situation. But let's go through and I will show you how I'm actually going to be submitting this extra payment. So right now it is showing me how much I owe in January, but this is because I have this taxes insurance that's gone up. This number should be less after I put in this payment and it goes through, and then I can message them and then they will go ahead and update this so that it shows that I have paid my escrow. So usually I send a check, but this time I'm just going to do it online because it's faster that way. Here is where I do this. Instead of saying the current payment, I'm going to do an additional payment and uncheck the current payment. And then I'm going to do additional escrow, and my escrow shortage was $556.57. And then my payment date is going to be today. So I'm basically going to be like, get it out of my account right now. And payments must be submitted by 9 p.m. to be posted on the same business day. It's about 4:20 right now, so we are good to go. So then we're going to make that payment. Then it's going to ask me to confirm, and it's going to say when that is going to go through, which is today. We're going to say confirm payment. Well, that's pretty much it. It is not fun to have an escrow shortage,